Happy Tuesday, everybody. Today is Truth Bomb Tuesday, and the topic is if you're always cold, tired, or you think you're losing your hair, it might be your diet. Hi, I'm Dr. Rose, and this is your daily spoonful. If you're always cold, if your energy is dragging, if your hair is thinning or falling out in the shower, don't rush to always blame your thyroid. Sometimes it's just a broken metabolism. It's a starving metabolism. And here's the truth bomb. Low-calorie, low-protein diets, especially combined with poor micronutrient intake, can mimic low thyroid symptoms. Your body is smart. It senses chronic restriction. It slows everything down to conserve energy. Your core temperature drops, your hair and nails take a hit, energy tanks, libido gone, brain fog sky high, and this can happen whether you're doing keto, carnivore, or any other dietary plan. If you're under eating the right stuff, protein isn't just for muscle, it's for thyroid hormone production as well, for iron status, for mitochondrial energy, for hair follicles, enzymes, neurotransmitters, every cell in the body. And when your body is nutrient depleted, especially in zinc, selenium, iodine, B12, iron, it shows up loudly. But here's the good news. Keto and carnivore can be deeply nourishing if you do it right. That means eat enough protein. Don't fear sodium and minerals. Prioritize nutrient density like egg yolks, seafood, beef, liver, and full-fat dairy, if you can tolerate it. Let your food build you back up, not break you down. You're not crazy, you're not broken, you might just be a little undernourished. So before you cut one more thing, ask yourself, am I giving my body what it actually needs? So here's your call to action. Like, share, and tag a friend who's always cold or tired. This one might just explain everything. This is Dr. Rose, and you've been just spoon-fed the truth. I'll see you in the next video.